How to hide apps in Redmi Note 7 Pro. Ever wanted to hide apps on your phone so no one else can see them? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's super easy, super fun and is totally sneaky. First, unlock your phone. Swipe up from the home screen to open the app drawer. That's where all your apps are hiding for now. We are about to make them hide even better. Now find the security app. It's green with a sealed icon. Open it up. Trust me, this is where all the magic happens. Inside the security app, scroll a little till you find the hide apps option. Tap it. Now your phone might ask you to set up a privacy password if you haven't already. Go ahead and set one. This keeps your hidden apps extra secure. Now you will see a list of all your apps. Just tap on the ones you want to hide like Instagram, Notes or anything you want. Once you select them, boom, they are hidden, just like that. Bonus tip: to access your hidden app later, just pinch out with two fingers on your home screen, like zooming out on a photo, and then enter your privacy password. And just like that, secret app world unlocked. So that's it. That's how you hide apps in your Redmi Note 7 Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.